How to auto scroll on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. TikTok offers an auto scroll feature that allows users to enjoy a hands-free viewing experience. To enable this, you first of all want to open the TikTok app on your device. You want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the TikTok application. Now, you want to navigate to any video on your For You or following page, then tap and hold on the video until this menu appears. Now, from these options, tap on the one that says Auto Scroll. Once activated, TikTok will automatically advance to the next video after the current one finishes, providing a seamless hands-free experience. You will also get an icon over here. All you want to do is tap on this icon in order to disable auto scroll, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.